Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an error message on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that says that there is a network security key mismatch error. So this error typically occurs when you are attempting to connect to a Wi-Fi network and you are recently changed your security type pairs from like a WPA to WPA2 or WEP. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend doing to restart your router, so unplug it from the wall. Some routers have reset button. You just hold them down for like 15 to 20 seconds and then attempt to reconnect to your network setting, and hopefully that the issue has been resolved. If this doesn't help you, then you just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select network and internet. On right side you just need to select Wi-Fi. In my case I am using Ethernet connection, that's why I'm clicking on it. You will be see the Wi-Fi setting over here guys. There will be named as manage number networks. You just need to select the network you want to remove. You just need to select it and select the forget button. In that way it will no longer appears under your recommended list of router or network to join, in which case that would be that problem. We can also try reset our network guys. To do this, on left side select network and internet again. On right side select advanced network settings. You just need to scroll down, select network reset, and this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking softwares afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. You just need to select the reset now and select yes guys, that will be resetted. You may need to restart your PC guys, and after restarting your PC your problem will be solved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.